Hi, Professor. I hope you're doing fine. I'm experiencing a problem, and is that in the demo account, I have good trades and good analysis, but when I'm trading the real account, I don't know what happens that I lose. So let's see here if I apply what I have learned from the course that you gave me. Uh, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for uh, some opportunities here, which clear opportunities, of course, very clear opportunities. So I'm gonna try to find it in different scenarios, the market in which I believe that I could identify opportunities according to my opinion, of course. Okay, this market is going up, but at the same time there is like a ranging market here, you see. So if I take this line from this part, every time the market gets to this area here, it goes up. So I'm not gonna take the trade there because it's kind of confusing. Here there is no previous level. Okay, this is the max level here, and this is an area which the market is breaking. Here it was doing lower low, but now the market is going up. So I'm not going to trust because this candle is strong. So let's go to another place and see if there is something clear that I could trade. It's kind of difficult for me to record and also trade at the same time. Okay, here I'm gonna take a higher option. I take a higher option here because, as you can see, there is an area here, that one. So from here we have buyers, here we have buyers, and also here we have buyers. Although the market is going down, I see that these three candles couldn't pass this green one. So that's why I believe that the market is going to go up in this area. And also, you can see that there is a rejection from this area. So that's right, I take a higher option there. So we're gonna look for another opportunity. And we have to know that the major trend here, as I consider, the market is going up, right? It could reverse from this area. So that's why I took that trade. So let's continue. Okay, you see, although I marked this area, I knew the market was not going to respect because these candles were very strong. So I should wait for the market to give me a clear sign that it is going down, or if it is going to continue to go up. I know there is a zone here, like right here, which is a very strong sellers area. Here I see rejection from this round number, but I'm not going to trust that one. I'm going to continue. Okay, here, hold on, go up. Okay, I'm gonna take a lower option in this area. Okay, I take a lower option here I know it's far from the level, so I could lose that trade. But as you can see here, every time we have a doji, the market goes down. Here we see a doji, the market goes down. It make the doji before, right? So I could have waited to take some margin of safety, but I was afraid that the market was gonna go down immediately. So that's right. I took the lower option. Let's see what happens here, because anything can happen, and the trade is not won until it's won. That's what I say, right? So here we go. You see, that's it. So I took this trade because this is a sellers area, very strong sellers area. And I saw in the past that every time the market hits this area and creates a doji, as you can see, a long leg doji, it goes down. Long leg doji, it goes down. Although here is going up, is a type of uptrend, which is a triangle actually. I see that it creates the same pattern. So I take a lower option and I take some marginal safety from here. The best point to take the trade was here on the line, but I risk to take the trade. So let's continue to see if we can find another trade. You see, this is a very strong uptrend now. So the trend is changing. It was a downtrend and now it's trying to make an uptrend. It broke the level here, so there was supposed to be a low. Here it broke the level, so I'm going to wait because it could create a retracement candle here, so I better wait. And I'm not gonna take a lower option and not a higher option because this is very strong, and also it could create more bullish candles. So I'm going to wait. Let's see here. This is a great opportunity to take a lower option, but it's too late here because I don't know what the market was doing. So I gotta check. I need to analyze this market. Let's see. We go in an uptrend. It's going in an uptrend. I thought it was good to take a lower option there, but this is a level. So let's try to revise this. Every time when it breaks, lower option, right? With this candle, it broke this level, so it created a lower option. So I expect that when the market breaks this area, depending on the type of candle, sorry about that, depending on the type of candle, Jesus, is going to give me a retracement candle. Also, something important that I see here is that this is a very strong buyer's area, because here we have a strong candle and here we have a momentum. So if the market gets to this area and gives me a green candle here like a hammer, I would take a higher option. So I have to wait for the market to do what it's going to do. Here I also have a level, right? So that confirms that this area here is strong. So if the market comes here, I would take a higher option. If it comes back, because it looks like the market is going up, so we gotta wait. Let's continue checking here. This is a lateral market, so I'm gonna take it away because I don't like the market. Okay, here, remember the major trend is downtrend. Here I see a doji, and I also see a red candle. I would take a lower option, but this is a weak candle, so the market could continue going up until this level here. Let's draw it here. That's the level right there. So let's continue checking the market. Let's see. Okay, here we have a downtrend, strong downtrend. We see a momentum, a green candle. This broke a round number. If the market creates an engulfing candle here, I could take a lower option. If it creates, of course. Okay, you see, engulfing. Now I need to take some marginal safety because when it creates a candle like that, it could go back. So let me wait, go up a little bit. Sometimes it doesn't go up. Okay, there. I'm gonna take a lower option right there because this is a momentum, this is a weak candle, and after that weak candle I have an engulfing candle. Sometimes I am not sure about taking those type of trades because when the candle is as big as that, I mean that big, sometimes it comes back. But let's see how it goes because this is a very strong downtrend. So let's see. There is not a previous level. Let's see if I can take another trade here. Okay. This is okay. All right. I'm gonna take a lower option again. Why I take another lower option? Because this is a momentum. So this is a hammer and this is a continuation candle. So I understand that the market is going to continue to go down until, let me see here. Okay, I see no levels, and in the past, as you can see, there is no previous levels. So the market is free to go down until it decides. I don't know where. I'm not gonna take another trade there because this candle is way bigger than this one, so it could create a retracement candle over there. All right, so let's see. Okay, here we have a green candle, a red candle that stops right in a level that are marked. I mean, it broke the level, it created another candle. This is a momentum, so this shouldn't go down. I guess that's going to continue to go up, but I don't feel good taking higher option trades. I'm afraid sometimes to take higher option trades. That was a good trade because a single candle stopped at a level. I mean, that was a resistance level before. Uh, is not good to trade with. Now, if this candle um, ends as a green candle just right there like that, like if it ends as a green candle right there, I will have take a higher option. But it looks like that the market is going to go down until this area. It's not coming back. Let's see. It's gonna copy this movement and it's gonna go down. But I don't trust because this is an uptrend. It's coming like this. So I don't trust that. Okay, let's see if we can find another opportunity. Okay, this is a momentum, but this is a ranging market, so I don't trust momentum in ranging market. I don't. Okay, let's see if we can take another trade. Okay, the market here, it didn't create a new high. This is a strong rejection. That means the market wants to go down. Okay, but now the market, I mean the sellers lost their force in here, so I don't trust that. I would rather wait and see what the market is going to do. Here, what we have is actually a lateral market. The market here was coming down, then it went up, and now it's trying to go down. This is a momentum which stops right in the level. Okay, let's see. Stops right here, and there is a wrong number at the level right here. You see? Buyer's area, buyer's area, buyer's area. Now I need to see if it is going to, okay, it broke the area. It broke the buyer's area. But the problem here is that we have more. There is another area down here that could, I mean, because here buyers enter from here, right? So all that is an area until here. So that's the whole level, and I just don't know. Right? We see here momentum, strong candle. It couldn't stop the momentum. Again, a momentum. It goes down. But what I don't like is that here, it comes here, it goes down. All right, so let's see. We still have some space for the market. Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't trust. Okay, that's the level right there. Break the level. It doesn't want to break it, so I gotta wait. Let me let the market do whatever it's going to do. So I'm gonna get away from there. Okay, now the market got to the area that I had. It created a doji, and now this is a very big candle. So I wish the candle ends leaving a wick like this, but not going lower than this area, so I could take a higher option, but it's not letting me take a higher option. Okay, you see there, yes. If it ends like that, I would take marginal safety from this area and take a higher option. No. uh Strong force, right? So I don't trust. That candle is too big, and I see a gap over there, so uh I don't trust. Okay, let's see what we have here. It broke the level, it came down, so this is confirmed that this is going up. The market is gonna go up from that area, but I need to wait. Okay, right here it created. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a big candle. So what I'm gonna do now is, now it broke the level, right? So I'm going to wait for the market. I'm gonna wait for the next candle to see what's gonna happen. It's going down here, so I need to check this level. That's a level right there, right? That's a level that could reverse the market here, right here. So I need to see what's gonna happen here. A big candle means that the market is going to reverse in this scenario. So I need to see now what's going to happen. I guess I'm going to stay on this pair, because as I see, this is not clear, so let's take it away. This one, yes, this one, I need to see what's going on here. Let me see. Okay, this is a little seller's area. I don't trust. So, okay, there is rejection. That's a weak candle comparing this force, right? But I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take a trade right there because it could create a second candle. Now, if this candle doesn't get to this area here, if it ends as an engulfing candle, right? Let me mark this in a different color. If this candle ends like that, or as an engulfing, it doesn't matter if it has rejection. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a lower option because I know that the market is going to try to reach this level right here, that level over there. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, uh, it's not engulfing, but okay, I'm going to take a lower option there. Why do I take a lower option? Well, I thought that the market was gonna try to get to this area because after a big candle we have green candle with rejection, then we have a red candle. So I thought that the market was going to go down at least to get to this point. And that's right. There was a gap, so I was waiting for the market to go a little bit up and give me at least the opportunity to take a good entry point. So let's see what happens now because buyers try at the beginning. Okay, so we have 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. So there I have 5 trades. Why do I take a lower option here? I take a lower option because we are coming from a strong downtrend, right? There is a reversal sign, which is a B candle. I have a green candle, which doesn't get to half of this one, and there is rejection. After that one, I can see a type of hammer, and that hammer created a new low. The next candle opens with a gap. So as it opens with a gap, I understand that sellers are interested to continue. But what I do is I wait for the market to give me a good entry point, at least to the closure of this candle, so I can take a lower option. So, Professor, this is the way that I take my trades. Um, this is the way that I do it in demo account. But when I'm trading in a real account, I don't know what happens. I lose. I don't know what's going on. So you let me know. What do you think about these trades? Regards.